So the second part is to come to utilities after the driver of the POS has been that is after the first video that shows that the terminal has been successfully attached to a COM port. So for this particular system, it's on COM 10. So the next is to come to utilities and hardware settings, and then you go for POS device fast pay, where you can say add payment device. So when that happens, you will give it a title. You can mention the bank. If it's a GT Bank configured terminal, you could say GT Bank POS 1 in case there are other terminals too. So you will retrieve the terminal ID from the POS representative to POS terminal provider representative, which will need to be here to help identify the tracking accounts on Storeharmony. Then you will select GAPOS. That's the Global Accelerator POS. Then here you will select the COM. This one is COM 10, so you just select that, and you get priority number is just in case there are multiple POS terminals, so that's fine. Then they need to add the bank account that is tracked for the payment. So that means that for Storeharmony to report at the end of the day, Storeharmony can tell them at the end of the day the amount of money that is supposed to be in the account, such that when settlement is taking place, they can use that to verify if the settlement is tallying with the recorded transactions in Storeharmony. So here we have to choose any bank account. So it's also other account, and then once your other account, the rest is the last and important one is to enable fast pay and save the setting. So when that happens, it saves. I'm not going to save this because I already have one here that is configured using the same configuration. So you have to be careful not to litter that setting. Now, the next stage is during a cash point, when they get to where they want to check out. So whatever they intend to sell, by the time they choose what they want to sell, what happens is you will now look at the product. All they're just doing is saying fast pay, and that's all. So by the time you come here, the terminal will just respond immediately and says insert your card, and that's all that it takes to set it up. So thank you.